If you want to click light trail photography, then you have came at the right place, because in this video we are going to see how light trail photos are captured. New photographers don't know about this light trail photography, so they struggles while shooting light trails. So in this video we are going to see in depth about light trails. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Megapixel Beast. In this video we are going to learn how light trail photography is captured. For that you need smartphone and the tripod. So your smartphone need to be expert mode. Light trail photography is all about shooting moving light objects with the shutter speed. So shutter speed may be around 2 to 10 seconds. Here you can see I have Realme tripod for capturing light trails. You need a camera with pro mode. You can find this option in more settings. Here you can see pro or expert mode. There are 4 to 5 settings are available. The first one is the ISO, then shutter speed, then focus and white balance. So we have to set lowest as possible ISO. Here the lowest possible value is 100. Then shutter speed is around 4 to 10 seconds, depends on the situation. Then focus will be 1 or 0.96.
Here I want to share one pro tip for such photography. Always try to use 3 seconds timer to take shake free image. Let's move forward for expert mode setting. The first one is ISO. I am setting 100 value for the ISO. For shutter speed I am setting it around 10 to 13 seconds. Then for the autofocus I am setting one value and you can choose between around 0.96 to 1. For the white balance I am setting around 4500 Kelvin. Here we did with the settings. Let's take one shot. Please mount your mobile on the stable tripod. Mobile will capture your light trail within 15 seconds. Here are some final results.
Hope you like this video. If you feel this video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.